It's that time of the week again where we bring you your favorite show. This is Buhle Betfu and my name is Nelly Somakanya. Today we are here at Summerfield Botanical Gardens bringing you the best of the land as you know us. It's a beautiful place as you can see all behind me. We just want to find out what Summerfield Botanical Gardens is all about and everything that you can get to enjoy when you're in this beautiful place. I hope you're excited as I am to see what they have for us. Let's go. Hello, Sisi.
Yeah, Pila, how are you?
I'm great. Welcome to Buhle Betfu. Can you please introduce yourself? What is your name and what is it that you do here?
Okay, my name is Nomfane Lopembe. I'm the reservations manager at Summerfield Botanical Gardens.
All right, that's awesome. I'm so excited to be here today. Can you please just tell us more about the place? When I come to Summerfield, what is it that I can get to do here?
Okay, firstly, thank you for coming to Summerfield. Don't choose it of all the other places you could have gone to. Siyabonga kakhulu. So, Summerfield is a botanical garden, an exclusive resort. What do I mean by that? We have a hotel. The hotel is built inside the botanical garden. Because most people bangacabanga ukuthi the garden is separate from the hotel. No, the hotel is built inside the garden. And today we have 4 different types of rooms at Summerfield, and we also have a restaurant as well, which is the Palm Cascade. Okay, then starting with the rooms, we have 4 different types of rooms. We have the presidential suite, which is also known as the garden villa. That one is the biggest that we have, like higher. So the difference between Yona and the other 3, because I'll tell you about the others. Yona, it has a lounge that is separate from the bedroom. So the bedroom is alone and the lounge is alone. Then Ulanzele executive suite. That one's a bit smaller than the garden villa. Yona, it has 2 double beds inside. But Yona, it has a lounge that is together with the bedroom. The luxury suite now in 2 double beds, but you get umehluko between the luxury and the executive suite. The luxury suite, yes, in 2 double beds, but it doesn't have a lounge compared to Lena executive suite. The executive suite in a couch and it has a patio, and in the luxury suite, yes, it doesn't have a patio, but it just has a smaller sitting area, though it's also nice. Then the smallest that we have is called the Dove Nest, which is also the private cottage. Yonage, it's the smallest that we have like higher, but just like the other rooms now, it's so nice, it's different. That is why the prices now angafanani. The more bigger and the more spacious the room, then the higher the price, my brother.
You know, I've always wondered, what's a botanical gardens? You know, it sounds sophisticated and so cool.
Okay, the hotel is in the botanical garden.
All right.
We have different types of plants in La Corda. We get them from different parts of Swaziland, and some of them we get them from other countries. So the timbalted from plants latak pilisa health-wise to plants in Jelobla ukona klopsanga wekhaya, and other plants you find good ngoba siyayisiva nje ukuthi leti cosha tinyoka. You see, within Zawi being in a place like this, and everything like that, one can just wonder how good yoga and stuff like that. So we have different types of plants, including nalama plants lokanza kuti atawucosha tinyoka, nema plants ke las pilsago health-wise and things like that.
All right. So am I allowed to take pictures?
You are allowed to take pictures, but only the pictures, not the plants. Because you're not allowed to get the plants, but you can just take some few pictures because you'd find ukuthi maybe ufuna neyobuta, get more information about those plants. Ungaya nase reception yethu just to ask about ama plants latsite futhi longafuna kwati ukuthi you just saw a plant like this and ufuna kwati more information about it. It's also allowed. You can go and ask a reception yethu.
All right, that's awesome. Really interesting. I think I'll be the next person come here. All right, so
and you love the place, trust me.
Of course, it's really beautiful. So when you talk about the accommodation, I heard you mentioning the restaurant. So how does it go with the package? Mostly, I'm interested in the restaurant. I like food.
So, okay, no
let's
problem.
go into the restaurant. How do I have access to the restaurant as I'm here accommodated? Yeah.
Okay, before we speak about the Palm Cascade, the accommodation side as well, it also has its own restaurant called the Bistro. It's the breakfast restaurant. So accommodation it includes off breakfast. So it's a B&B, bed and breakfast rate. Breakfast, it's called the Bistro, which is it's at the hotel side. Because ile hotel lethu ne main restaurant yethu, which is the Palm Cascade, tihlukene. Le restaurant ngathini is separated nje ngomgwaqo, but it's still in the same area. Gani, the breakfast restaurant, it's this side together with the accommodation. Sendela ini ukuthi guest in the morning magavuka. They wouldn't want to travel like walk a long distance to have breakfast. So ngigo sayiletha yabalanga ngenhla yona. Then with the lunch and dinner restaurant, it's separate. Ingendasi with the hotel side, you are allowed if ubukela kaya. You can just have your lunch, your supper by the main restaurant, which is the Palm Cascade. Then ucele bakposele by erumini yakho if ulelela kaya. You can just settle everything on checkout, but only if ulelela kaya. We also do allow walk-ins ke main restaurant yethu. It's only for labadelela kaya. The main restaurant is also allowed to walk-ins. You can just go. You can just come in any day because sivula from Monday to Sunday. From 11 during the day till 11 p.m. So ungatitela nje wena with your family, go and enjoy Emma meals at now with different types of meals that you have. We accommodate everyone that's in. No matter you want an Asian cuisine, a French, whatever you want, you can just get a restaurant here.
All right, so ngale kule main restaurant imeka njani le menu yethu? We cater like everything, like for example like Sangala Lakaya, just walk in. So menu kanza ikanjani Lakaya for the main restaurant.
Okay, thank you my brother. The main restaurant menu, it can accommodate everyone from kids to Bamvula Batala, and Magbamvula Batala, as Simba Matanza, the same thing. Ukanza kuti minenje I'd like njengoba ngishito a chicken chow mein probably. Ukhona lotava ngathi hayi mina ngikhani kabo baby chicken angifuni letinto leto. Ukhona futhi lotava ngathi no, I just want seafood mina. So today we cater for everyone. Whatever you want, you get with us. Lotawuthi nje yakufuna wena ngicabanga ukuthi sitawuhlula ukuthi asikhona ukupheka, but otherwise no, menu yethu it just accommodates everyone.
All right, that's awesome. So apart from coming here, having accommodation in the restaurant, is there anything else that I can come here to do? Maybe my events in our house, because the hotel is separate from the Botanical Gardens. Botanical,
okay, yeah.
So events, how do we cater for them here?
Okay, we do host Emma events in Lakaya. We host Emma garden events so far. Not to say Gutau Banjalo, because we do have future plans. Lapho kona extend things out on the hotel side in Jamanga Kona extendable conferencing and this yakane a whole long it's not everyone will have a garden event. Maybe garden wedding, garden birthday, utawufuna indoors. So our main restaurant yet we are extending lapho kona to have a bigger event but in an indoor area. So yes, extendable. We do host in fact, our host a young event long ayicabanga singakuhostela thina lakhaya. Ema events ethu ke endiwa by the main restaurant. Ngala accommodation side, our place is private. It's njengoba ngisho we are all about nature. Mawahamba la ngaphandle you can see the trees and the quietness of the place. So we usually try ukuthi nema activities lesinawo lakhaya. Siyayisizame ukuthi kungabi ma activities lutawukhanda ukuthi sekabanga umsindo sekadisturb lamanye ama guests. So thina nje lakhaya we have a pool because siyathi ipool yethu angeke bese seyibanga umsindo lomningi ukuthi seyisekudisturb bhekene empulo seroomini. And naloko sizama ukugatha ngekuthi the pool is the only people labane access to the swimming pool ngilala balele lakhaya. So asivumi nje ukuthi ungavele okay bese so uyeda so utoswima noma ngaba ukalali. No, it's not allowed, though it's also in our pipeline to say siyafuna nekwakha i-swimming pool lengendazi lapho khona utawukhanza ukuthi if you just want to come to Summerfield for ukuswima then imiyadla ungakhona kwenda lokho, but kwanyalo sisete. Then we are also ngalana ke ehotela siyakha bo spa, because bamfu abathi kwanyalo we usually show people tindzawo letitfutane la bangakhona kwenda khona bo spa and stuff, but nathi la khaya we are also extending siyadakhela yethu indzawo lani ngakhona uyakhona nje just relax bo spa, you know, ba kwendele tintfo takhona. Yes.
So I'm excited about lama facilities. Nangiva bo spa nje ngisengakhumbula ukuthi ngathi vele hlombe lami ngasahambi kahle lamala. So as I was passing by I saw people but tell about insimbi naloko. Are there any other facilities? Ngathandwa nami yozi kancane.
Yes.
Ngilozi kancane nje, you know.
Yes, my brother. No, sinayo ne gym ke la khaya. Njengoba ngishito tintfo tethu letingala hotela. Only people labane access nabo ngilabalele la khaya. We are still trying to maintain the privacy of ema guests ethu lalele la khaya. That's why njengoba ngishito nema events asiwavumla ngendlela ukuthi utatkhanda so ushuta nami ngitihlalele ekoneni lami lana ukuthi ngiyadiphumulela. So ngeke tintfo tethu tivumeleke to only labalele la khaya. So ne gym njengoba ngishito nje we do have a gym that's opened to labalele la khaya from 5 in the morning ivalwe nga 9 p.m. Not to say after 9 sekude lo gym ako. Ba ungakhanda nje ama guests ethu kala buya late sebata ufuna kujima. After that they just speak to the lady or the gentleman whoever was at reception to say no ngicela ningivulela, I still need to exercise probably now late. But yeah, the gym we do have, then it's the pool, then we usually letinye tintfo lokhanza ukuthi bayatenda bo bird watching esekahle ema guests ethu, then they enjoy the sun by because njengoba ngisho la ngekhathi kunaleti hlahla but kulamaceleni khona la hotela kunenzawo lokhanza ukuthi it's an open area ema guests ethu khanza ukuthi sekahle khona they are enjoying the sun, bird watching, things like that.
All right, awesome. So on Lama facilities and everything else, it's still part of the package.
Yes,
so
my brother, definitely.
Extra cost.
You will not pay any extra cost with so negate meaning. So that you make sense and go invoice. No, my brother. So walala nje wabhadali rate yako for your room, everything on the access Google like. Even the pool bar, because we also have a pool bar as well. The pool bar ingalaga accommodation gayo. Nayo siyayisithi labalele la khaya ngeke afune kuhamba elenda se-restaurant ayo enjoy khona because lenzawo yethu the restaurant especially is by the lake, so tatkhanda nje umuntu omdala so enjoyile ama-drinks akhe so uyahamba kasabuka kahle so ugcina uthi khanda so ugcumukele kani le pool bar yethu ikhona to say you can just enjoy your drinks here then go to the room if you want.
No, right, that's awesome. So how do people get hold of you? Within Jilling, so long as Bukai Summerfield, thinking to say, you know, I have to go bed lapa. So how do people get hold of you now that you're coming out to say people can actually come here and enjoy themselves? Yes,
okay. Tina, we do have a Facebook page, it's Summerfield Resort, and we are njengoba so mentioned my brother. They usually look at Summerfield Beveng as oh my god, my good to Lily. It's not like that. Maybe if people can just call because it's in a Facebook page. Summerfield Resort. We also do have an Instagram page. Nakhona it's Summerfield Botanical Garden. Ningakhona nekushayela kuma landlines 8 for my cell phones 8 for to say labanye kwanze ukuthi nonginema minutes mina sebasibuza ngema minutes ke ngiyitemnele imali ya landline sinayo ne cell phone yethu lekhona la khaya +268 7641 9662 i cell phone yaka accommodation ngele mangabe ufuna kubhuka for ikulala. But ukhanza kusilabanye batawufuna ukubhuka for the restaurant only ukuthi no ngifuna kudla nje mina ngitokudla yona ke i-cell phone yethu it's 7655 4171 ungashayela khona nema landline akhona ke restaurant which is 2550 3539 but mawufuna kushayela ku accommodation the landline it's 2518 4693/5. Yes, then ningas emailela as well. Mangabe niva ngathi ngifuna kusebenzisa yena email which is info@summerfieldresort. Singajabula nje if you can just come because you're also allowed to come just to say no ngicela kutobuka I want to see the place then ke so ungabuta nema prices ubute naletinye izinto longafuna kudade but just come ni enjoy just walking around ubuka indzawo yethu ukuthi kanjani because asisho thina la khaya ukuthi water if utolala or utokudla ungatitela nje nawe just to look at the place and enjoy ubute longafuna kwazi.
Take a few pictures as well.
Exactly. Though njengoba ngishilo with the pictures ngala accommodation, we try by all means ukuthi ama guest ethu makakhona khona they should enjoy their privacy. So ma ungafuna ukuthatha titfombe, you can just take pictures by the restaurant ubute ngala accommodation vele angeke bese sesithi sakubona ushuthi asitakubucala icingo sidelete, no ngeke sikwende lo, but we usually ask ukuthi ama guest ethu maka ngala accommodation bazame by all means ukuthi tingabi tiningi letform lozabe sesoyatishuta so ngathi ishuta nje wena uwedvana usho ngoba utawuthola selfie kanise kunamzala lengemva mbone kuthawu bese uthi uyaposta wena innocently sekuposteke nemhlomnye seuva ngazuthi we invading i-privacy yakhe. That's why it's ngala accommodation, but the restaurant you can take as much pictures as
That's
you want.
awesome. All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being on the show.
And thank you so much for having me, my brother.
Summerfield Botanical Gardens will give you an experience that will make you wonder, why was I even going to other countries to have fun and travel when we have this beauty right here in the motherland? I want us to go for a short break, and when you come back, there's more exciting stuff to show you. It's always exciting to bring you this wonderful program, Buhle Betfu. Make sure that you do follow us on all our social media platforms. That is our YouTube page, our Facebook. Do holler at us when you meet us in town. Tell us the beautiful places that are in the land. We will make sure that we bring them right here on Buhle Betfu. Until next week, same time, same place. Goodbye.